You see me? You see me? Enough boy girl pick me pam. From a little bit of something. Enough boy a mine up jacket. Have them girl and a me breed it. If a girl. Alright. Yeah, but lift it up back now. Shackle. You know, shackle. You know. Yo, Worldtalk. You know say a Pickeny attack. I'm from Worldtalk. Pickeny tell us that nobody can tell you when to talk. Alright. Me go so then. Me stay so then. Me go so then. Then me go so then. Me go so then. Alright, you know me I say no. Me don't tell them say. Me don't tell them say. Me don't tell them say. Nah, I got no jail. Why anyway? Me I say. Don't tell me nothing. Tell them that already. Do anything, me never tell them that already. Do anything, me never tell them that already. So, I'm look at my girl and tell him, say, alright, do anything that you like, my girl. Find your conscience till you say, right, my girl. Now watch them, cause you're alright, my girl. Your mouth smell good, your pussy tight, my girl. So do anything that you like, my girl. Find your conscience till you say, right, my girl. Now watch them, cause you're alright, my girl. Your mouth smell good, your pussy. And that, well, if I tell me, then I tell me. If I Nike, then a Nike. Girl, you never mismatch, girl, you ever look right. More a drink after dinner last night. And your man on the beach under the moonlight. Them say you hype, but anything you please with, you deal with. Nasty living, my girl, you not dealing. Them a walk up here. God, you believe in your independence, so them can't hurt your feeling. Do anything that you like, my girl. And you can't live about that. Chat and exit now again.
Yeah, man.
I'm a son rascal.
Yeah, man.
Anyway. Yes, dark mouth. Alright. Them for no say. Yes, right, I know. I will come take over the business. Alright. Me don't tell them say me come to take this thing. Mash up this damn thing. Take off the girls them G-string. What that? Yeah. You see that little Pickeny here? The girl them crazy over this Pickeny. Alright. So guess what? The girls them love play with the Pickeny, cause them know say me love to slip away the bikini. From me slip with the bikini and fit in it. This now good on back from them stiffiny. So the girls them love ramp with the Pickeny, cause them know say me love to slip away the bikini. From me slip with the bikini and fit in it. Me cocky now good on back from them stiffiny. Anytime I something go so tup, he still stand up stiff and one juk. Every girls know about this, it a made up look. Cut them here and do it for themselves, then look. When them look, them still see me stiff baby foot. Ready again with a new rubber on the crook. My back firm because I be a steam fish me cook. So any girl get this must get hooked. So the girls them love ramp with the Pickeny, cause them know say me love to slip away the bikini. From me slip with the bikini and fit in it. This now go down back. And that, guess what? If a girl like give me peace, me not say no. Anyway, me take it in the house or out the door. Cause me no ram, me fire me arrow and split up cho. From me cocky crow, juice a go flow. 4 months later, a belly star show. Me know where me know, she know where me know. But fear man no know, say I might see that grow. So the girls, them love play with the Pickeny, cause them know, say me love to slip away the bikini. But me slip with the Pickeny and slip in it. This now go down back from them stiffiny. So the girls, them love ramp with the Pickeny, cause them know, say me love to slip away the bikini. But me slip with the bikini and fit in it. This now go down back from them stiffiny. It now go down, can't go down. It now go down. Can't go down. You know go down. Can't go down. You know what now? When I put on my rubbers, your skin get burned and I push in the cocky at it. Oh, and I push in the cocky now. Oh, and juke. And then me push it and turn skin over upon her head and give her be a back shot lizard lap. And she all run from that. You know the little Pickeny? Little bit, but the girl them say Pickeny have a long cock. So the girls them love ramp with the Pickeny, cause them know say me love to slip away the bikini. But me slip with the bikini. Gee,
I thought me done murder some pussy hole already. And me tell them say Warhead can't dead. You know what them a do? Me tell you what them a do. The boy them still a call me name, then still a boots war. Me gun them still a aim. What do them ya you star? Me nozzle still a flame. Give me a loot on your car. War and no game me gun sucker. Yeah. Let me tell them man, all a pint and Blatterland boy I get low. When you know say bumbo clad Vadney Price can't war with me. Why you think them that put me pants thing? Me just send me Pickeny go fuck it up. Them boy have to know say, low. Them have me as menace to society. Them call me problem child. Them know say me murder people all the while war waiter. When war start me kill the rich and the fameless. Now call no name. Low. When war start me kill the rich and the fameless. Now call no name so them a go dead nameless. But it's the same name. War is not a game. If you this turn as low. Boy no name fear you so war red no fear you. In a full suit a black your little queer you no girl now follow you arrow. Sucker. Yeah man. If a boy ever disrespect Miss Eckle, me bust me gun till the nozzle steam like a blood clot kettle. Look. Vadney Price, ass mouth. Look. You go and get a kick in your ass mouth. Look. No name fear you, so worried no fear you. In a full suit a black your little queer you. No girl now follow you arrow come and a spear you. For this a war your friend them should have prepare you. You take it serious when time me a cheer you. Say reggae boy bring your joy the world hear you. And you did ride with sweet bandoliero. Remember your first tune did name Batty the Lero. Go shoot video with naked man near you. The Frankie Paul then start to compare. Sucker! Oh no I will lock it down. Me telling you, say, New Year's night, alright, yeah, so. Cause you don't know, say, we are bad man and we not afraid of nothing. Low. No name fear you, so worried no fear you. In a full suit a black your little queer you. No girl now follow you arrow come and a spear you. For this a war your friend them should have prepare you. You take it serious when bad man a jeer you. Say reggae boy bring your joy the world hear you. And you did ride with sweet bandoliero. Remember your first tune did name Batty the Lero. Go shoot video with naked man near you. To Frankie Paul then start to compare you. Paper soldier remember gunshot with tear you. A Blatterland alone war red a shear you. You should have never call me name. Look. You should have never call me name when me dare you. When baby sham do you make you a flare so? Him fuck your girl you drive it into Pachero. No she Vegas did have last year no. I revolt like some Camry Solero. Circle. Yo, me I tell you say war rate I can mix no bumbo clot. Youth me rate you. Me I tell you. Yo. Wanna listen man. Me got war in a me heart, me got war in a me thought. Them want the warrior done, but the warrior just start. Provoke me to rat and make your life cut short. Then go for referee, but the warrior can't part. Me got war in a me memory, war in a me blood. I war with them out, but me not afraid of bad word. War them in a drought and war them in a flood. War them with missile and grenade. Run it back, man. Let me show them, say. Low, turn it down. The tune what? Yo, me have a thing named 60 bar. Low. Low. Some boy only talk war. Me live and me sleep and dream and walk war. If you down to the dark in a me yard back war. Me no put up with no little skylark war. Pull up. Rex. You never see you come and me yard come check me all the while shorty. Low. Pull up. All the while when Shorty come check me at me yard, me look a puppy just go and foot on the pan. What? You understand me? So me I say. War them want. War them want. Look. Some boy only talk war. Me live and me sleep and dream and walk war. Even down to the puppy in a me yard back war. Me no put up with no little skylark. So if you want spark war, grab your gun and fire shot from daylight to dark war. The bus stop, the airport and car park war. England to Canada to New York war. Look. When the... Look. Wanna listen? Listen now, Shorty. When the gun, me have a gun when it bust, it goes up, brook it up. Low. When the gun your boss is sound like ass, 2 back feet. Use the ankle and ras out your 2 back teeth. Shot singing out your ears like the group back street. Make you run like you there. Circle. Circle. You know Worldtalk bust them gun to you. Steam like a kettle. Low. You, Mr. Arsemouth. I couldn't you them say me freda. Man a black blunt trader. You are beyond the star but me a space invader. Me no war with dopey after me no tomb raider. Go on right will and I will heap low. When me a shot up every nook and every cranny. Shot enter where you look and exit through your funny. Me don't know your grudge being a man theme Grammy. Tell me plan can after me no name Sammy. Cover war along up all your mouth like Rami. Gunshot of your Circle. Make it go and run, man. Large up Worldtalk sound every time. You like Greg and Mido and the whole family. You know we don't ram Billy. Any boy this Worldtalk, them diss me too. Cause Worldtalk a warrant sound. A boy if you know that bumper rascal. Low.